So we have touched so many powers, and now we are going to touch one power that is not is an abnormal power. Some of you don't know that this is power. You are looking down on this power on the key of F. Now this power is called flat 7. We all know what the flat 7 is. What's your flat 7? Now, one thing the flat 7 does is it has this tension it builds, in the music, where you're saying Jehovah is your name. Jehovah is your name. Power of 2. Jehovah is your name. Power of 6. Jehovah is your name. Now you hear that, like instead of your name, now I do your name. So now there's this it just, I don't know how to explain that feel, but you just feel that raise, like it kind of just builds up to resolve down to anything. And the reason you are trying to spice your play with the flat 7 is because it shouldn't be just always basic, like Jehovah is your name, Jehovah is your name. No, I mean Jehovah is your name. Your name. So now let's try to learn what I did here. Your name. Oh shit. So this is why my stuff was not recording. Jehovah is your name. Jehovah is your name. Right? First one. Second one. Jehovah is your name. Jehovah is your name. So now this one I'm jumping to your name. So this is the chord. You can see the flat 7 over my 4. So your name. Then you have to take it back to 5 because you cannot just your name. It's there's a way to sound too. But then when your name, then you do so yeah, then you're resolving back to your 5. So Jehovah is your name. Jehovah is your name. First one. So you can do those of you that remember how to spice up gospel chords, right? That was 4 to flat 7. Yeah. But I'm trying to remember how the exact title of it. I can't remember. But then you know what I'm talking about too. Now, this is another place you can now put the flat 7. So the flat 7, instead of going to your 5, it works to pass, right? And you want to go to your 1. Mighty warrior. Now the flat 7 can replace this, but now this time around, I think this flat 7 has a kind of touch with 5, because I think I would have talked about that in the power of 5. Now this is what flat 7 does. Instead of doing mighty warrior, you get, now you now do mighty warrior. What am I doing? You can see I'm playing flat 7 here over my 5. Sorry. Now, you know there are different inversions, right? So one of the things you should consider is, where is your melody note? My melody note is supposed to be around, so I want to just keep it around here. You get? So sorry. Yeah, you can do that too. Down, anyone. So that is for Mighty Warrior. Now let's look at this song. Hallelujah. On the normal, you want to be like, hallelujah, salvation, and power unto the so now this is what happens. Instead of just playing your 1, now play your flat 7 and have your 1 on the other hand. So you have so you see, flat 7 to the power of 6 that has so you can see that. Same thing with this song. You get? So you can see how you can incorporate all of this. One way, another way, even this. Now good. I think this is another thing again. In the power of 2 that I talked about, this is another thing. So 2 now. So your normal 2 that works like this, right? Now you can play your 2 as a flat 7, but this is an inversion. You see it? So you are doing. You get, so do re mi, can see how I did that turnover. So basically, like, there's not so much to, you know, to like, you know, when I mean there's not so much, like, you don't have to fix it everywhere, but you just need to be very, very, you know. I was playing a song in church on A flat, I think, yes, but then play it on F. You deserve the glory. I'll leave my hands in worship. Your holy name. Right? You deserve the glory and the honor. You can see right there. Fast 7. I'll leave my hands in worship. You hear that? So guys, that is everything. You can see how I did that. As we listen to worship, bless your holy. I incorporated that stuff again, right? You are grace, you do miracles so great. I don't another way to incorporate it. So you are great, you do miracles so great. So guys, this is basically everything about what I'm going to be showing you. Now it's left for you to now go and widen your horizon. All right. My beginner's course and intermediate course is still selling. Please make sure you check it out. My logic patch template is still selling. Full template, which is the worship lab, and then the synth template is also selling. Please make sure you check that out also. All right. Make sure you practice all of this and try to incorporate it in your play in church. God bless you guys. See you in our next video.